Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, visitors. Good morning, counselors. Karong adlaw, October 29, 2025, ang atong ika-17 na regular na session. So this regular session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem to be led by through audiovisual presentation. Invocation to be led by SB member Momar Deloso and the councilor script. Then the vice mayor script.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Ginoo, ano kami karon sa session hall bago pagdandak sa amo ang regular session. Ginoo yang naot kami nga hatagan nimo kami o sa pagkaalam, pagbalansi sa mga eskwelanan para kami makatabang sa amo mga katawhan sa lungsod sa Leyte. Yung tanan ang gipangayo sa ngalan sa mga anak ni Kristo. Amen.
Amen.
Raise your right hand and follow after me. I am a Philippine Councilor,
I am a Philippine Councilor,
mandated by law to enact
mandated by law to act
measures and ordinances
measures and ordinances
that redound to general welfare
without the
of my constituents
of my
in
constituents
their pursuit for happiness,
in the pursuit of happiness,
peace, and prosperity.
peace, and prosperity.
I believe in public service above self
I believe in public service above self
as the guiding principle
as the guiding principle
of my official acts,
of my official acts,
and as I try the pathways
and as I pathways
of local legislations,
of local legislation,
may the Almighty guide
may the Almighty guide
my mind and heart that I shall be true
my mind and heart that I shall be
to
true
my constituent
to my constituent
and the Filipino people.
and the Filipino people.
I am a vice mayor, and my covenant with my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislature, that with integrity and statesmanship, I shall lead the local legislature to enact measures and ordinances for the common good, and fulfill my people's aspiration for happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Roll call and determination of quorum.
Honorable Gailo, Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Bincayaw, Honorable Deloso, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Sereno, Honorable Artiza, Honorable Paler, Honorable Salicumba, Honorable Evangelio, Honorable Gayon, the presiding officer, Honorable Malaki.
We have two members absent. Honorable Ken Aurelio on official business, and IPMR absent. So the church declared quorum. Let's proceed. Reverends are. Honorable Gailo.
Maayong buntag sa tanan.
May buntag.
Lagi na sa ato po sir. Mga kauban kong konsyal o mga katauhan sa munisipalit o dingi. Mga atong gialagaan. Ako motindog karon sa pribilehiyong oras aron ipadayag ang usa ka isyu nga hilabihan ka importante ang panginahanglan sa libreng ambulance program para sa atong katauhan sa lihok. Mr. Presiding Officer, panahon na sa atong annual budget, presentation, and soon to be approved ang budget nato sa 2026. Masamatag opisina. Hangyon ko kamo nga ato kining hatagan og igong pondo aron malibre sa fuel ug ambulance ang tanan lingiganon nga i-repair ngadto sa dagkong hospital sama sa Tandag, Tagum, Davao, Bislig City. Makaguulon ang hunahon nga sa panahon sa krisis, kinahanglan pamangita og kwarta para lang makasakay sa ambulansya. Apan, unsa man diay ang tumong sa gobyerno, dili pa protektahan ug alagaran ang kinabuhi sa tanan lingiganon. Busa karon nga adlaw ako nag-auhag sa atong lokal nga panggamhanan nga lig-unon ug ipatuman ang programa para sa libreng ambulansya. Ang maong programa maghatag og kasiguraduhan sa tanan lingiganon nga makabenepisyo og tabang sa panahon sa emergency sa walay bayad ug walay pagduha-duha. Nakita nato kini nga programa mahimong tinuod kung adunay klarong pondo, maayong koordinasyon ug transparent nga pagdumala. Dili kini imposible kay daghan ng lugar ang nakahimo niini. Bago pa lang nato nabasa sa social media sa municipality o Barbog nga libre ang ambulansya. Mas makaya nato kini kung adunay kasing-kasing o katuyuan sa tinud-anay nga pagserbisyo. Ang kinabuhi sa tao dili masukod sa kwarta. Dili kinahanglan nga mawala ang usa ka kinabuhi tungod lang sa kapobrehon. Dili dapat nga mahadlok ang katawhan mutawag og ambulansya tungod kay wala sila ikabayad. Busa ako nag-auhag sa tanan nga magkahiyo sa ta aron mahatagan og igong pundo ang atong mga ambulance. Kay bago pa lang nahitabo atong niaring adlaw, adunay usa ka pasyente nga i-refer sa Adila, Tandag City gikan sa atong community hospital. Sa oras nga na alas 10 sa buntag apan gumikan sa kapobrehon, alas 2 na sa hapon na kalarga kay walay prodo ang atong ambulansya. Mga kauban ko sa serbisyo publiko, kini nga programa dili lang proyekto, kinabuhi kini ang atong giluwas. Sa matag segundo nga mulabay, adunay usa ka pamilya nga magkinahanglan og tabang. Busa maglihok ta karon dili unya. Kay matag segundo importante, kay matag kinabuhi bililhon. Daghan salamat ug magpadayon sa tinuod nga serbisyo alang sa katawhan nga pinalangga natong lingiganon. Once again, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan.
Salamat, Honorable Gailo, for that privileged speech. The matter brought up is referred to Committee on Social Services and Quality and Health, chaired by Honorable Eileen Palero. Privileged speech, Honorable Muma Diloso.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning sa tanan. Before we start na kanang privilege speech, I would like to show a support to the privilege speech or manifestation of our colleague, Honorable Richie Gailo, to give an importance sa kanaan padungog kanato na istorya bahin sa pagdugang ng pundo ng ambulansya. Na problem is me, Richie. Support ako siya ang kanmo tukusan. To our Honorable Vice Mayor, my colleagues and guests, good morning.
Good morning.
Honorable members of this august body, I raise again you to advocate for the vital social security of our barangay health workers, barangay nutrition scholars, and daycare workers. These dedicated individuals are the backbone of our community, working tirelessly on the front lines of health, nutrition, and early childhood education. It is our duty as local government unit to provide them with essential protection. Our BHWs, BNS, and daycare workers are frontliners who are crucial to the delivery of essential services in our community. They provide primary health care, monitor child and maternal health, implement nutrition programs, and care for our youngest children. They put their own safety and well-being on the line every day, as was tragically highlighted during the pandemic, to serve our community. With the security of social protection, they can continue to serve our community with greater peace of mind and dedication. Providing subsidized social security contributions through programs like SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig will offer them a much-needed safety net against illness, disability, unemployment, and retirement. By subsidizing their social security, Mr. Chair, we not only invest in the well-being of our dedicated workers, but also strengthen the foundation of our community's health and education services. Therefore, I urge this august body to prioritize also the subsidization of their local social security contributions, ensuring their protection and acknowledging their valuable service. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable De Luso, for that privilege speech. Okay, this privilege speech referred to Committee on Social Services and a joint committee. Committee on Appropriation. At the same time, yung kay Richie, i-include na lang si Appropriation. Joint Committee with Appropriation. Thank you, Honorable De Luso.
Another, Mr. Chair?
Yes, another privilege.
I respectfully request to this chamber, as our very important role is the power of oversight function. We are grateful for the laws and ordinances that have been passed by the previous and the present Sangguniang. These ordinances represent our collective aspiration for a better, safer, and more prosperous municipality. However, it has become increasingly clear that many of these ordinances are not being fully implemented, particularly those that require financial resources. By fully funding these measures, we can ensure the promises made to our citizens and that our municipality can fully realize its potential for progress and improvement. I urge again this chamber to review thoroughly the budget for the upcoming fiscal year and prioritize also the full funding of all municipal ordinances that require financial support. This is not a request for a new spending, but a plea to fulfill the commitment already made and to invest in the future we all agreed upon. Investing in the full implementation of all ordinances is an investment in our people, in our community, and in the future success of our municipality. Thank you for the time and consideration. I look forward to to seeing the ordinances we all support become a reality. God bless us all.
Thank you. Thank you for that privileged speech. Thank you for reiterating our primary function and oversight function. The matter brought up be referred to the committee of the whole. Any privileged speech? Hearing none, let's proceed. Reading and referral of the proposed measures, petition, letters, and other communications.
Mr. Presiding Officer, first item for referral and authorization is a proposed annual budget CY 2026 of the Municipal Federation of Senior Citizens Association in total amount of 1,748,032 pesos.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation, Ways and Means.
Next item is the letter from the Punong Barangay Rosalita Ibantayan Urbana San Roque for the conduct of coordination meeting regarding the political boundary between the municipality of Buston and the municipality of Lingin.
Refer to Committee on Land Use. Chaired by Honorable Gailo.
Next item is the request for a special cockfighting event on November 2, 2025 at Barangay Pagtilaan.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
Next item is NDRMC Resolution Number 3 Series of 2025 endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan for adoption the Public Service Continuity Plan of the Municipality of Lingin.
Refer to Committee on Disasters and Management.
Next item is proposed ordinance number 2025-45 entitled an ordinance for the management and regulations of small mining operations within the municipality of Lingig, declaring prohibited acts for violation thereof and providing penalties and appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. The proponent of this is Honorable Arnold Timlaki.
Refer to Committee on Environmental Protection.
Next item is the request for a special cockfighting event in Barangay Valencia on November 1.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
That's all.
Yeah.
Yes, any additional insertion, referral?
May I,
Honorable Diloso.
may I request Mr. Chair to the number 2? May the President Preserve allow that in the joint committee,
Committee on
legal matters and land use.
letter from the Punong Barangay President Tabanan to conduct a coordination meeting regarding the political boundary between the municipality of Buston and the municipality of Lingig. Okay. Are you reiterating your request to be included? The Committee on Legal Matters, a joint Committee on Legal Matters and the Committee on Land Use.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, additional referral?
Yes. Next item for referral, number 7, is resolution, proposed resolution, resolution number 2025-09 from the Mandubu and Mandaya Municipal Tribal Council, a resolution lobbying the Sangguniang Bayan of Lingig, Surigao del Sur for the enactment of a municipal ordinance declaring the month of October of every year as the Indigenous Peoples Month in the municipality and for other purposes.
Okay, refer to Committee on Tribal Affairs, chaired by Honorable IPMR.
Next item is proposed municipal ordinance number 2055-46, an ordinance declaring the month of October of every year as the Indigenous Peoples Month in the municipality of Lingig, Surigao del Sur, providing for its annual appropriation and for other purposes. The proponent of this is Honorable Reynald Tigayon.
Okay, Committee on Tribal Affairs. Balik sa inyo.
Another one, proposed ordinance number 2025-47, an ordinance setting the maximum personnel of each Sangguniang Bayan members to 5 job orders. So the proponent of this is Honorable Lumar Dinos.
Refer to Committee on Good Governance and Rules and Privileges. Any referral? Okay. Committee reports. Honorable Diloso.
Committee on Legal Matters, a referral during the 14th regular session dated October 7, 2025. A request from the Municipal Mayor for the adoption of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Ordinance Number 65-23 series of 2023 and establishing the Provincial Inspection Service and prescribing abattoir or slaughterhouse management and operation, regulating the sale of food animals and their meat products for human consumption in the province of Surigao del Sur. Deliberation, yesterday, esto na kami ni SB Sereno and SB Palero, who are the member of the committee. We are deliberating the ordinance aims to establish a provincial meat inspection service, improve the slaughterhouse management, and regulate the sale of food animals, meat products for the human consumption in Surigao del Sur. Findings: the committee findings indicated that current practices lack of standardized inspection protocols, potentially jeopardizing public health. Implementing this ordinance will ensure stricter compliance with food safety standards, reduce the risk of meat contamination, promote consumer confidence. It aligns with national regulation and local health priorities. Additionally, the regulation of sale and management practices will foster responsible slaughtering and meat handling. Recommendations: the committee recommends the approval of the adoption of this ordinance during the business of the day for today's session to enhance food safety, public health, and local governance. Proper enforcement and continuous monitoring are essential to achieve the intended outcomes. Overall, this ordinance is a significant step forward, modernizing and standardizing meat inspection and slaughterhouse management in our province. Thank you. Signed, Honorable Paul Sereno and Honorable Mary Arlene Christine Paler as member, and yours truly as the chairman on Committee on Legal Matters. Thank you.
Okay, discussion of the committee reports. No discuss, no questions. Thank you, Honorable Veloso. Any committee reports? Wala pa? Okay, let's proceed. Calendar of business, unfinished business. Okay, Honorable Veloso, recognize.
Mr. Chair, I officially move for the approval from the request of the Municipal Mayor for the adoption of Sangguniang Ordinance Number, Sangguniang Panlalawigan Ordinance Number 65-23, Series of 2023, on establishing a Provincial Inspection Service and prescribing slaughterhouse, abattoir management and operation, regulating the sale of food, animals, and their meat products for human consumption in the province of Surigao del Sur. So move, Mr. Chair.
So there was a motion by Honorable Veloso, the adoption of the SP Ordinance Number 65-23 Series of 2023, an ordinance establishing the Provincial Inspection Service and prescribing a slaughterhouse management and operation, regulating the sales of food, animals, and their meat products for human consumption in the province of Surigao del Sur. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Saligugba, Honorable Bintayaw, Honorable Canoy. Any discussion? Objection? The resolution is hereby adopted. Any? In the business of the day?
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Veloso.
with regards to the requested one for the special cockfighting, as in
Okay, there was when the item number 3,
six na.
item number 6 in Maribohok, Boston, Valencia. So, sino ang ating sa amusement na present ngayon? Gayon and Honorable Saligumba sa Gayon Amusement. Okay. So,
Isa ka, February 1.
okay, 5 minutes recess to discuss that topic. Okay, session resume. Yes, Honorable Paul Sereno.
I move this request from the municipal mayor to for the adoption of Sangguniang Panlalawigan Resolution number 2841-25 series of 2025 entitled a resolution enjoining all local government units in the province of Surigao del Sur to adopt a color coding system on fishing boats per municipalities in cities in the province of Surigao del Sur.
Okay, that was referred last October 14. October 14, 2025, regular session.
Yes.
Okay. Well, mayroon ka ng committee report dito, apa? Diretso na? Okay na to? Sa'yo? Say, there was a motion for the passage of the resolution adopting the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Resolution 2841-25 series of 2025 entitled a resolution enjoining all local government units in the province of Surigao del Sur to adopt a color coding system of fishing boats per municipality and cities in the province of Surigao del Sur. Ini seconded. Dugay na. Seconded by Honorable Gayo or Honorable Artisa. Any objection? Discussion?
Sir,
Yes, Honorable Deloso.
discussion lang.
Okay, discussion. Can
That was referred last,
October 14 regular session, 15th regular session.
so there was no committee report rendered. Sir. So there must be a suspension of the rules before the adoption.
I am Dr. Chairman, do you conduct a committee meeting with this?
We have agreed already with my members to
Pass.
Yes.
Okay.
And so it's likely with the motion of SB Momar that we have not yet discussed thoroughly on the matter, then asking to pass a resolution today.
Okay.
But he asked
Okay, the rule is that na-refer na siya previous session. So this is a press reading. Supposedly, dapat may committee reports.
Pwede Mr. Chair, pero
Ato na lang na, marag sa flow sa session, suspend ang training roll. Kindly,
before the motion, Mr. Chair, there must be motion.
so, ilagay na lang natin si Honorable Deloso sa suspension of the roll. Then, seconded by Honorable Gailo. Then, followed by the motion of Honorable
I seconded to the motion of
Honorable Paul Sereno. So, seconded by Honorable Deloso, Artisa, Gailo. Any objection?
None?
I already declared the adoption.
Since it's just
Yes,
Imuha na lang.
okay. Still, our rules is suspended.
Pwede ka mag-motion na lang yun.
Okay, that's Honorable sa likod ba?
The request is Sisagak Fighting event on November 2, 25 Barangay Pagtilaan, and November 1 and Barangay Valencia, and October 31 in Barangay Poblacion. I move this, Sir.
So, tulo ka sabong. October 31, November 1, November 2. So, isa-isa na resolution yan, ha? Okay, ini seconded.
Unanimous na lang.
Ang tatlo? Okay, the three resolution is hereby adopted.
Before,
Mr. Chair,
ikaw din
I hope to
makalipay sa
restore
ako.
the rules.
Second, Mr. Chair.
House rules resume. Any other topic? Yes, Honorable Saligumba.
Mahuman nato na committee kahapon, i-continuous na lang yan next Monday.
Oh,
Kay kagabi, medyo yung basic ko nato.
yes. It's the prerogative of the committee. Chairman and the members. Yes, business of the day. Honorable Gailo.
I move to approve the application for reaccreditation of Simple.
So there was a motion to approve the reaccreditation of Simple. The hard copy of committee reports kindly provide to the secretariat. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Sereno, Honorable Saligumba. Any objection? Okay, Honorable Gailo, before the secretary provide sa committee report
Sir,
para ma-attach sa minutes. Okay, the accreditation of Simple. Yes, Honorable Diloso.
before the matilyo yung dukdok din, kaya the honorable Gailo motion is okay, but it must be in the suspension of the rules. So,
Ay, yes. Bago lang natin, ipasok na lang.
okay, pasok na kami Paul.
That's why I asking rin na napaba mo iisingit. I am declaring a resumption of the rules. Okay. Okay, sabay na lang ha.
Sabay na.
Sabay na lang sa kaya na pag-suspend. The accreditation of Simple.
Okay, seconded.
Okay, seconded by Paul Sereno, Saligumba, and Diloso. Any objection? Okay, the motion, the accreditation of Simple is hereby approved. Resume. Resist. 5 minutes resist. Okay, any announcement?
CL,
Oh, PCL.
regional election.
Sige,
Okay.
adjournment na lang.
Session adjourned.